The session has been very good, a very informative kind of layout of what Symphony is trying to do, why you're doing it, and why your solutions are actually coming to life.
I can really understand why Microsoft decided to give Partner of the Year to SymphonyAI, especially the live demo to see how the text could create dashboards.
We have in the platform the capability to deploy multiple large language models and to enable us to plug and unplug the models we want to use easily to build this connected retail suite of solutions across all the domains, merchandising, marketing, store and space, supply chain. And this is built in such a way that it will make it easier for us then to deploy generative AI, to deploy predictive AI, and to build copilots. This is what we call connected retail.
It showed me something I didn't know, and it actually proved the result.
The key areas that the Copilot can handle right now: sales, pricing, customer behavior, product assortment, promotions, and on-shelf availability. There's no system X said this, system Y said that. It's all one view, because your business is really one enterprise. Really what the data lakehouse is allowing us to do is drawing the power of connected data. So we've got one source of the truth, we manage it once, we validate it once. This is the state of our business.
The best thing was data lake architecture. Using generative AI was really interesting.